Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to add video to Gamma AI. Now the first thing you have to do is go on videos and media right over here on right side and click on video or audio URL. Now select this option, click on this. After that go on Google Drive and here upload the desired video file which you want to add in Gamma. For example, I'm uploading this one. Click on the video, click on the share right over here. Change restricted to anyone with the link. Copy link and paste the link here. Now as you can see, the file is uploaded. So that's how you can add video in Gamma AI. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.